Good morning to one and all. Welcome to Food Chemistry by Amrita. I hope you all are doing well and enjoying my recipes. It's a lovely morning and I'm planning to make something delicious and healthy in my Food Chemistry's kitchen. So let's go into our kitchen. Welcome back to my kitchen, and as you know, I will be experimenting all the healthy recipes with a fusion twist. So today I am here with another healthy twist. So I'm going to make a cupcake. So this is my cup and I'm planning to use Ragi flour or the millet flour. So this is 1 cup of millet. You can see it. Actually, Ragi is very healthy and I will list down all the benefits of Ragi flour in my description. Do check it out. And this recipe is quite easy, and if you want to have some cake with your tea or coffee, then this is the recipe you should prefer. And getting back to our recipe, here is 2 to 3 tablespoons of curd, 3 tablespoons of jaggery powder. I won't be using sugar since I have mentioned it is a healthy cupcake. This is my measurement that I have taken for baking soda and baking powder. So this is the one which you have to use. If you don't have, then you can use your normal measurement spoons. So this is the combination of baking powder and baking soda and some choco chips. Obviously the chocolate cake is incomplete without this, and I love choco chips. And since we are not using eggs, so it will be replaced by oil, as I have told you in my earlier baking cake video as well. So this is the one which I'm going to use for my today's cupcake. So let's get started quickly. Also, cocoa powder is a must when you are doing a chocolate mug cake. Mix. So I have mixed all the ingredients properly, and it's time to put choco chips. You can also put some dry fruits to make it more healthy. Prefer lots of choco chips because I just love the crunch of that chips and it looks so delicious. Gently mix so that it gets spread. So it's now time to put our cupcake into the oven and we are ready. So my cupcake is ready and it is looking yummy and delicious. It's perfectly done, and now you can enjoy the healthy gluten-free cupcake whenever you want. Do try it out, this quick and healthy recipe, and let me know how it turned out for you. Thank you so much for watching Food Chemistry by Amrita. Stay healthy, remain healthy.